Are you in search of a move-in ready home that perfectly pairs country living and convenience? Then look no further than 33 Miranda, Knoll. Located in a private, small, secluded community just 20 minutes from downtown Asheville and 25 minutes to downtown Waynesville. Day or night, you will enjoy breathtaking year-round long-range mountain views and dark, starry nights. Enjoy entertaining even at a social distance on this expansive deck. This meticulously maintained one-level home has a new roof, private flat backyard, large garden, hot tub, and open floor plan. As you are welcomed into the spacious living room, you are greeted by floor-to-ceiling windows that bring in the views, vaulted ceilings, and a cozy fireplace. The updated kitchen has an abundance of cabinets and counter space, and convenient access to the laundry and the back door. The principal bedroom is a roomy private retreat with walk-in closet and large private ensuite that features double vanities, extra storage cabinets, and access to the deck and hot tub. This home features the popular split bedroom design with the two generously sized guest bedrooms and the full bathroom located on the other side of the home. Complete your day with a lovely soak in the steamy hot tub. If you are looking for a home and a neighborhood you'll fall in love with, then 33 Miranda Knoll may be just what you're looking for.